Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we are going to discuss Principles of Programming using C, BTU Model Question Paper 2024 Set 1 Solution. Question number 2a. What is variable? What are all the rules to construct variable? And classify the following as valid or invalid identifiers. So, these are all the identifiers they have given. We have to classify it as valid or invalid identifiers. What do you mean by variable? Variable is defined as a meaningful name given to data storage location in a computer. So normally in a computer, if you want to store any value, if I want to store the value 5 in the sense, simply I cannot able to store and access the value. To store this value, I need a variable. For example, I am considering A is a variable. The value 5 is assigned to variable A. Okay. And this variable, once you have declared, it will reserve the memory space. Okay. In that memory, value 5 will be stored. And whenever we want to access value 5 with the variable name A only, we can able to access it. Okay. And we can able to declare this variable as integer, float, any data type, whatever the data type is required, any data type we can able to declare it. Okay. Now, we are going to check it. What do you mean by this variable? How to name this variable? Okay. So, this variable is nothing but it is a meaningful name given to data storage location. See here, value 5 will be stored in some memory. So, that memory location, we have to specify some name. To access that memory location, we have to specify some name. That is nothing but variable. So, it is a meaningful name given to data storage location and computer memory. Okay. And variable actually refers to the address of the memory. For example, A is the variable name, value is 5 and it will be stored in the memory location 1000 for example. Any memory location whichever it is free, it will allocate. Okay. That will be randomly allocated by the computer. And for example, this 1000 is the memory location. So, variable always will refer to the address of the memory. So, address of A is 1000 and there this is the value. Okay, this is value, this is variable. A equal to 5 if I am assigning in the sense, this is variable and this is nothing but address. Okay. So, variable actually refers to the address of the memory where the data is stored, data 5 is stored. Okay. This variable is also called as identifiers. Identifiers and variables both the same only. So, this is nothing but variable. And C language if you are considering, it supports two kind of variables. One is numeric variable and character variable. Next, rules to name the variable. Whenever you are naming the variable, the first character should be alphabet or underscore. For example, add, this is valid, underscore add, this is also valid. Okay. So, the first character should be either a character or underscore. You can able to include it. Next, it should consist of only letters, digits or underscore. So, if you are considering the variable name in the sense, it should consist of only letters, digit and underscore. For example, add underscore 1 or add 1, add underscore 25. Likewise, 25n. Likewise, we can able to combine the letters, digits or underscore. This is valid to name a variable. And it will consist of 31 characters. That is, the length of the variable name should be at most 31 characters. It should not exceed beyond that. Okay, only 31 characters it will accept. It is valid. Okay, and keywords should not be used as variable name. In C program, if you are considering in the sense of few words, we will use as a keyword like auto, like for loop, if, switch. Likewise, there are 32 keywords in C programming. Those keywords you should not be used for naming a variable. Okay, that is fourth rule. And no two successive underscore should be used in naming a variable. For example, underscore add is valid. Double underscore add if you are giving in the sense it is invalid. Double underscore you should not use. No two successive underscores should be used in naming a variable. And variables are case sensitive. That is, this is also a variable name and this is also a variable name, but this variable name is different from this variable name. If you are giving the variable name in capital letter, throughout the program you have to access with capital letter only, and if you are accessing with a small letter, in the sense it won't accept. It will treat these two or different variable names, okay, because variables are case sensitive. Suppose if any one letter if you are giving in capital letter also, it will differ. This is different variable name, this is different variable name. That is the feeling. Okay. And should not include white space, special character or punctuation mark. See here, add in space 1. This is invalid. You should not use white space here. Add hash. This is invalid because you should not use special character like a hash, at, not. Likewise, you should not use any other special character, star, slash. Likewise, you should not use any special characters while naming a variable. And a punctuation mark also you should not use, like within double quote add or within single quote add. Likewise, you should not include within punctuation marks. Okay, this is also invalid. So these are all the rules to construct a variable. So first character must be alphabet or underscore. We should name variable with the combination of letter, digits and underscore, but first character should be alphabet or underscore. And the length of the variable name should be maximum 31 character. You should not use keyword. No two successive underscores should be used. And variables are case sensitive. You should not include white space, special character or punctuation mark. So these are all the rules you should follow while naming a variable. And here they have given few variable names or identifier names. We have to specify whether it is a valid variable or invalid variable, and we have to provide reason here also. Okay. Number 2, it is valid because it should start with a character. You can combine characters as well as numeric also. There is no white space or any other special character, so it is valid. Second one, if you are considering, it is invalid. First character is a special character. Dollar is special character. So you should not include special character for naming a variables. Okay, so this is invalid. Okay, and third one also invalid. Why? Because here plus symbol is a special character. Okay, plus is a special character only. You should not include. So this is also invalid. Fourth one, if you are considering, this is valid. Why? Here variable name should be a combination of letter, digit and underscore. And here first character should be a letter or underscore. Okay, no white space or no special characters here. So this is valid. And fifth one, if you are considering, here it is invalid. Why? First character should be letter or underscore. Okay, but here it starts with a number, so it is invalid. And next, sixth one, if you are considering, underscore apple. First character can be underscore, so it is valid. First character either should be underscore or letter. Yes, it is valid, but double underscore if they have included in the sense, that is invalid. Okay, and the seventh one, if you are considering, hash is a special character. It starts with special character, so it is invalid. Hash is a special character, so this is invalid. So wherever if you are including special character, it is invalid. Okay, suppose if you are giving space like add 22, likewise if they have given the variable name, here white space is given, so this is also invalid because here white space is there. This is also invalid. Okay, so this is all about variables or identifiers. Thank you for watching this video.